Understanding flood risk is an important part of home ownership and the greater insurance picture. Everybody is at risk of flood. Floods are the most common natural disaster in the United States. Even if you think your property is not at risk, consider these facts. Heavy rainfall and hurricanes are not the only causes of floods. Floods can also be caused by changes in landscape due to urbanization, winter storms, and runoff or mudflows. Flooding caused by ice jams is similar to flash flooding. An ice dam formation creates a blockage and causes water to quickly rise at the point of the jam and upstream. When the ice jam eventually breaks, it results in flooding downstream. Levees are man-made ridges that are typically built parallel to a river or other body of water. Levees are created to provide protection from hurricanes, storms, and other floods. While the idea may seem logical, levees pose significant and potentially dangerous flood problems for many communities. Among other difficulties, levees often stand in the way of waterways. Failure or overtopping of levees and dams can occur when the flood is beyond their capacity to handle. Both mudflows and mudfloods start with a mixture of moving water or a stationary mass of saturated soil. When the mixture gets wet enough, it begins to move as a mass, either as a result of gravity or when triggered by an earthquake or sudden flow of debris-laden water. Mudflows and mudfloods may cause more severe damage than clear water flooding due to the force of the debris-filled water and the combination of debris and sediment. For mudflow to be covered by the NFIP, it is defined as a river of liquid and flowing mud on the surfaces of normally dry land areas, and when earth is carried by a current of water. Other earth movements, such as landslide, slope failure, or a saturated soil mass moving by liquidity down a slope, are not mudflows. FEMA also provides digital copies of flood insurance rate maps online for free at msc.fema.gov.